Hello, hello, hello. So NQ, this is 9:30. Okay, that's previous day high over here. Okay, so NQ got rejected at heavily, not heavily, but had a good rejection at previous day low, later in the pre-market. Let's mark this highs. 30 minutes. Previous day low, overnight high. Okay. Previous day high. Hmm. Why? Okay, overnight high. Previously low GPM, let's see how it reacts. For some reason my ES position didn't get filled. Previously low is here. Going close to the previous low area, coming closer to VWAP. Right at VWAP right now. Let's see what the reaction is at the VWAP. Closer to previous sale low as well, so I'm gonna be little bit careful about it. Getting better up, let's see. View of projection apparently, so it's a hold.
filled.
$34.
Order filled.
Previous low apparent it has taken. Okay, so let's see previous highs and lows. Got rejected from Vivo. Previous low earlier it got rejected from. Let's see what the market is. Yes.
Order filled.
Below 21 EMA to 1950. That's what my target is over here. 620. 20 EMA, 20 EMA, 20 DMA. I'm getting bid up. Let's see if it gets sold into this bid. below you. Okay. Another rejection. That's good. That's good. What time is it? 6:41. Okay. Definitely could go. Just need a break. Nice. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. One more. One more. Let's go.
Order partially filled. Order filled.
I'm pretty sure it should continue. It should be a flush now. Street candle like that. Similar to that in the next 2 minutes at least. And this or next minute either or. There's a 5 minute chart look like. Okay, that's good. That was a good move. Yeah, 690.50. There you go. That's where I was supposed to sell. That's okay. 308. 50%. Wow. SPY rejection from VWAP. So if you see here, hello. SPY rejection from VWAP is good. Uh, so SPY got rejected from VWAP right here. 21 EMA. Previous day low, it couldn't break properly. It broke, but came right back down below it. Q and Q same thing. Went to VWAP 21 EMA, got right back down. So I took the trade right below here. And this is supply right here, or no, demand right here. So let's see what happens here. If it holds, we might be able to catch another long from here. I don't know. Let's see. Apparently it's holding, but could it be forming weird flag edge? So that could be the thesis. Let's see how it reacts. 20 EMA or 20 DMA, not EMA. Let's see if it's able to support it properly. I did not check if there was any market news either. Forex Factory. 8:30. Wednesday 14 8:30. Wow, there was news data today as well. Did I miss it? Apparently that was the got cancelled or something. Okay, it's getting bid up. Got bid up twice. That's a good entry for long, but still below VWAP on SPY. The SPY follows VWAP pretty good, I would say. Okay, so got another rejection from SPY VWAP right now. Might not be a bad entry for short again on SPY, but actually, let's see how it overnight low rejection. So if you see ping pong rejection, actually that might not be a bad trade, to be honest. SPY. But the market could just go sideways today, to be honest. I don't want to, I have no confidence in the momentum because even the market movement right now wasn't good, to be honest. So okay, so the movement is pretty decent right now. Got rejected from view up, coming back down, rejected overnight as well. This could be a bear trap as well, so that's why I don't want to get involved in it. This could be higher low. That's the thing. This could be a higher low right now. Could this be a not here at least, so getting bit down again. So not sure if this was short or not, but 1650 was the trade. So right here exactly. Twice got rejected. So that's not a bad sign to be honest. But still, as I said, tariff options market sideways needs momentum. This can print, but in these three candles, only one candle would have printed. Let's say if I would have entered right here, I would have been at break even right now. This move, these two chop candles would have been equal. So zero sum game at the end of the day. I'm not loving the options trade. That's all I'm saying. Like it's good. The market's good. It does seem to be doing what it's supposed to be doing, but it's not convincing enough for me. I don't know. It maybe at the end of the day I will look at it and be like, oh fuck, it was a good trade, but not what I want to get involved in right now. Okay, so let's wait till for next 15 minutes. Let's see how this candle closes. See these short pops. Same thing that Vincent talks about. Pop, pop, pop. That's you don't want to get involved in those. Look, even if it goes in your favor because of these pops, it might not be worth it. I mean, I might be. For last 2 days, isn't that what happened? So double bottom. Let's see if I can. Double bottom reversal. If that was the case, this wasn't a double bottom, but okay, reversal. Could regrab, came here, kind of double bottom, right? I mean, this was freaking beautiful. I wish I could have been part of it. Same from same zone. Today it's in the same zone. Let's see how it goes. This is right on Friday's low. Okay, it is breaking below that. Okay, okay, okay. Getting bid up right away though. Okay. I would say there should be more downside continuation. But this 1 hour candle is almost done, to be honest. Spy right at these levels. What is JPM doing? Sideways chop, steady. Ooh. Previous day high rejection. Wow, nice. Okay. Wow, what a rejection. Like, I don't have it analyzed. I don't want to be a part of it. These freaking nice. Why are they? Wow, 350. Holy smokes. This rejection, I was not expecting that. Okay, I need to learn this one. See this rejection right here? Kind of previous structure, rejection. Wow, okay. 10 o'clock candle right there. That's the price right now. 410, 100% right now. 430. So can be one more candle continuation. it's gonna get bid up, no? Or am I? I think all of this liquidity has been taken out now. What will do of this candle? 527.5, 530.5. Okay. I mean, yeah, for some reason it does seem it's going to come down to here at least. I don't know. The 4 hour chart at least. Could this be just be an initial reaction of the 4 hour candle though? The D-money concept. 10 o'clock. 0.68 reversal. 0.618 reversal. Let's see if it rejects again. Just looking at how the market's doing its thing. But if it goes back up here, starts getting rejection again, I will go for a shot from here to here. The risk to reward will be, of course, this. If I can find it anytime soon. So it's 1 is to 2, I guess. Let's see if the rejection comes in at 21 EMA, how the market is looking like at that time. You see, what do you mean? For some reason, it doesn't show. $1,000, nice, okay. breakout and retest. It's getting bid up right now, so the price action doesn't. This was the candle, but got bid up again. It needs to be sold into it. KNQ is right at 21, so wow. Palantir. Oh, okay. Getting sold into again might be a bad option, to be honest. Look, every candle is getting bid up. 10, 10 right now, 10, 10, 50, 10, 11. No, it's getting bid up, man. It's getting bought. I'm not gonna enter this right now. It's okay. If it goes, it goes. See, there you go. So it's 25% down. Wow, okay, okay. Good thing I didn't enter. Okay, view up. Let's see, what was the news? What's the news, guys? Supreme Court doesn't rule on Trump's tariffs on Wednesday. What? Ruling again on Wednesday today. Advising you. Alright. Okay, so the news apparently. I mean, news came in a minute ago. This happened, reaction happened 3 minutes ago. How does this Walter Bloomberg guy knows this stuff, man? Oh, he has the Bloomberg terminal apparently. That's how he's sharing the news. But wow, that's crazy. Bloomberg gets to know this information that fast. Charging thousands of dollars apparently. That's why. Yeah, let's see. No much, no movement right now. But spy. Okay, that's a good. So SPY is above VWAP right now. ES is below VWAP. SPY is above VWAP. So let's see close to overnight low. I mean, I wanted to be a part of it. On what basis? You tell me. On what freaking basis? No retest at all. Like, till here, it was very solid sideways. And then just happens Supreme Court ruling comes in. So, Pretending resident discussion. Overnight low. Let's see how it does with overnight low. NQ is still below overnight low. So let's see. Tuesday low day is fucking crazy. That's been on chart for like months at this point. No. Okay. QQQ is above VWAP, so SPY is above VWAP as well. Both above VWAP, but doesn't seem to have the continuation. Let's see. I'm just gonna be ready just in case if that happens. It does look pretty good to be honest, not going to lie. I'm not gonna lie. FBI agent in Defense Department. Execute a search warrant. I think top of US tells personnel in Saudi Arabia to exercise caution. Okay. And Q is below you up. That's the only thing that's.
Order partially filled. Order filled.
As long as QQQ is above you up. That something happened in my brain that made me click that order. I'm not gonna lie. Something happened. That wasn't me.
Order filled.
I think I should close the terminal right now. Like, this was not a needed trade. That came in hope. This wasn't me. This second trade wasn't me. It was my rational mind that took that trade. How? What? How did that happen? Okay, I got that at least. Okay, so it does seem like it's gonna go up all the way, but it's okay. It's better not to be a part of it than fucking around and finding out. I have done enough. I've done that enough times. I know already how it goes. So let's see. Okay, so both of this is at view up. Spy. City. Okay. JPM. Previous low. Previous low. I mean, this wasn't possible though. Okay. 26 315. 3 more days, right? That's getting sold into. Tuesday loved has been there from here. Like holy shit. Kinda still for some reason working on the parent. I don't know. Equal wicks are something I would say. Even over here, equal wicks are something. Left shoulder, head, right shoulder. If it comes back up over here, starts getting bid up, I might buy a call for let's say next week or something. I don't know how much is that going to cost. Came in to look something else and got stuck here. What order I came in to look? Weekly. 500 bucks. Okay, so yesterday similar thing happens. Patterns are there. Okay, what time did it start happening yesterday? Chop chop, it never stopped happening, right? What the NQ react yesterday? Okay, so the chop move down sideways, sideways around 11:30 ish. 25% of my net, not net worth, but this doesn't look convincing enough to be honest for me. Like, science, like I'm trying to get out of the trade and stuff, but it does. Let's see how what it does over here. Rejection from view up on ES and NQ. Spy I got rejected as well on view up, so it's too late to enter that trade as well. But I've been watching. I need to watch like how the reaction goes continuously. Like that's why meditation is important to continue with this. Like this stuff. To have the focus and see how both price is doing while being not going into that dumb trade zone or second trade zone. Okay. Okay. QQQ broke below this. Let's see if it gets bid up here. Doesn't look like it. ES is pretty weak. That Tuesday law of day rejection is fucking crazy though. QQQ. I have to view up to near it's not going to view up anymore, but let's see how the reaction is over here. More prudential firms and the banks are ready to implement a CCP resolution. Getting sold into, let's see. Market's kind of stopped right now, like it's not moving at all. Dilution in bank's approach to restoration. So this is another problem in this at least. Options like these five candles. No, could have screwed me over. I need momentum by momentum. How am I catching momentum? What? 'Hasn't broken with a longer term trend. How's the volume right here? $30K volume. Holy smokes. Mm. वैलिडेशन तो दे दिया मैंने. The formation of right shoulder straight bite. Should I wait for the breakout retest of the neckline and then bite? Yes, it's still pretty weak to be honest, comparatively to Nasdaq. Is or is it? Or is it? Hmm. Happy with this. Um, $68. That's a former officials and scholars of Denmark rejects US ownership. Percent of Resident suppose Trump's goal is strategic. Attack against rivals like Russia and China option including purchasing. Forming a security alliance or expanding US military presence. Denmark and NATO officials warn that any forced takeover could threaten alliances. China was record 1.2 trillion trade surplus. China was record 1.2 trillion trade surplus in 2025. Largest ever trade surplus of nearly 1.2 trillion last year. Trump's tariffs. Government reduced 6.1% to 3.8 trillion, while imports rose 0.5% to 2.61%. While imports growth was strongest in emerging markets as Chinese exporters shifted supply chains to avoid US tariffs. China remains export dependent and low cost goods are now a global necessity despite trade tensions with the US. There's a sharp reaction of buying over here that'll be same as the last previous days. Why? Why? Why do I want to trade right now? Like why? What's the game plan? Where are you putting your stop? What? Like chill bro, chill. Get up. Close this. Done for the day. Trading is done. Do something else. That's it. Okay, bye bye. Good. To sum up the day, one trade in here, as expected, worked out 590. Not bad day for this one. Two trades taken in the what was it? IBKR. One of them 25-30% profit. 20-25%, 30% profit. Could have let it run, but as I said, don't have the capital to let it run longer. I don't think that should matter. Of course, I should let it run if the price permits. But this choppy action wasn't the best, not what I was looking for today. So this choppy action, I took the trade over here somewhere. Was getting better up, and this candle. I mean, okay. Now, right now, it's all in hindsight, but yeah, these small pops. My target was over here. I should have at least held it over till here at least, but it's okay. Okay. Overall, not a bad day. Overall, overall, just a day to be honest. 67, 68 bucks. Okay, that's a start. Let's let's take it easy. Got took one trade that was I wasn't supposed to here for long. Why? I don't know. On this candle, why? Continuation. I have seen that continuation to be honest, but got sold thrice. I have seen this pattern so many times. Like over here, if you stop this, then green, green, green. Well, usually that's longer by selling and then longer catching up into 11 o'clock. Usually happens into 11 o'clock. Okay, fair enough. Okay, in that case, have a good day, guys. If anybody's watching, if not, let's come back tomorrow.